Mari kunyinge no kende mono mi fwenye nyuji.
Fix this up on money.
Oh, where I go?
Ne, 0-0.
Yani karika ndi nongi gimora mamungi.
Fix this up on money. You tell the Form 2s to come for their papers.
Yeah.
Yes, all of them to come for their papers here, one by one. Yes.
Hey. I want you to know myself.
Hey. M0, man.
M0 ma. Yani 0 Timo Cathedral. You see, you need 0 Timo Cathedral in school.
Ni explain how a simple mercury barometer measures pressure.
Penyo mayo.
Wait, mayo. Sipoko jase.
Owe kama.
Sipowe bela.
Owe ni manu sijapuja vyo just scared.
Yes.
My friend.
Sir.
My friend,
go down.
Go down.
My friend, go down.
Go down.
Yeah? How many times I told you to put this there?
Remove that tie. Remove that tie. Look at tie
and put it properly where?
Wonu chandwe school kai bi
chandwe school ka.
Okwa bi yeni. Mawangi ni ndio tutamu wangi to kwa yeni.
What do you want?
Mwalimu, kuna complain.
Complain ya nini?
Mwalimu, you marked this one wrong.
Which one? So you are trying to say that teachers are stupid?
You are trying to say that
one wa fool
unurie kidonge.
No sir.
Aya. What is it?
Tengeneza kola.
Now, what are you saying?
Mwalimu, this one here. Yo, element.
Do you know the formula of element? Formula. I taught you how to cram the elements of the formula of elements. 20 elements. Her head lingered because boys came. Climb on, keenly cared. Do you remember? Her head lingered because boys came, number 1. From New National Magazine. All silly participants. So, climb on. Argument. Keenly cared.
Mano konyalu winjo. Kakoro mano tamu uonge mako. Mano kuwinji.
Her head lingered because boys came, number 1. From New National Magazine, all silly participants. So climb on argument, keenly cared. 20 elements in the head. Young boy. What is the problem? Koro element. Explain why element A is placed in 2 positions in the periodic table.
Mwalimu dong ngamano set paper no confuse. Oketo ya rio.
Oketo ya rio manake man.
Otem. Koro umio wacho ni explain that one.
Explain why elements A is placed in 2 positions in the periodic table. Mangisoni this element nyalo react by gaining or by losing. Ibinja.
So onyal
sama n 287.
Let's say for example
n 287. Ngisoni 87. Onyalo gain 1 to be 8 to be complete. Or onyalo lose 7 for it to be complete. Mana mamiyo n ka 10
kon.
Koro iribida puonja neja ber.
Mwalimu kora ngomyo n losing.
I want to be young man. This element can either react by losing or by gaining.
It is as simple as that.
Simple as that.
Bargaining.
Yeah.
Idwa temo nyedo punda.
Amana, you understand 20 elements?
Yes.
I did not teach you that we are going 282, 287,
22.
You don't know that 228 is only reacting by unstable element. Okonyal gain, okonyal lose.
Mano kia.
Ikia.
Mano okonyal.
Inoka pni okingi mabere ni 287 can either react by losing or gaining. Ikia. Alafu ngisa ni kai na no wrong. You are very serious than you're wrong, dog. In Mingeo. Element A as the positive and gain to either element. Is that English, Omera? Is that English?
Only mano Greek, because mano English.
Indiko siari. Ni element A as the positive gaining of the other element. The form 2 mano which type of English is that? Surely.
The form 2.
English, a very simple English. Okay, now ndeko gini maber. You don't understand. Akoro ya punya mabe na mie non. Name.
Oh.
Name the type of bond and structure formed when element F reacts with element G. Okay, and mind you covalent bond.
Ndiko no.
Ndiko ni magnesium. But English maki understand because chemistry kongo ni be okay understand.
Odwa no chak kunje chemistry gidolu.
Mwalimu don chemistry naiti mathematics keche.
Ma wrong. Ina in gi 01. Koro in gi 00. Ma be wrong. A simple apenji. A very simple thing. Name the type of bond and structure formed when element F reacts with element G.
Magnesium.
Is magnesium a bond?
A bond.
Or an element?
Yani okia kana ni wani covalent bond.
Okia, ionic bond.
Ionic bond gini magi ni kia. Metallic bond gini.
Metallic kia. Pokni winyo gini loka mago nyakani chak somo.
Mago ni pokni winyo nyakani chak somo.
Take your paper.
Mwalimu ulisema tusiwache space.
Koro rock space ndio na magnesium. Take your paper and go to class.
Take your paper.
Mwalimu disappear. Disappear to class.
Disappear to class.
Omera,
disappear.
Disappear to class.
Look at you. Very stupid. Very stupid boy. In fact,
yeah.
In fact,
you are 00.
You don't need your 00s here. Stupid boy. Next question.
Very useless.
Very useless. Yani nyathi okia kata ni wani covalent bond.
Okia.
Man okia.
Ionic bond okia rego. You are swaggering in, eh?
You are swaggering in.
Stand there.
Chunga edi. Nyedo wangi karke ni moto ni. Pani ma odi. Odi.
Unataka nini?
Chair, sisi leo tumekuja kucomplain.
Sisi ama wewe?
Sisi.
One.
About things that are happening.
Ne. Kapo.
Come here.
Look at you.
Botane muti.
Wonu chandwe sikul karka indi bili chaku chendo karka minu chandwa kwa chandwa. Nene kaka
funga hiyo tai vizuri. Eugene. Idwa deri mondo wange.
School korose oli. Design me udogudu 00. The rate me udogudu 00 sekundini is unwanted.
Yes.
Eugene.
Begini my paper ni math physics.
My paper ni math physics.
Unaiona vizuri? Tuetae na mabere muti. Look at you.
Onyeto wangikawanga nja math chak karka edito kipoko tiudo mena 0.
Mwalimu
Linki 00.
Now talk. Talk in fast before you talk to us. Talk in
fast. Kapu ku complain gini kapu ku complain. Ne yewi.
Can you talk in, Musana?
I'm not used to talking.
You're not used to talking.
I'm not used to.
I know this weekend. Talk in.
But on Saturday we don't talk.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, for one quite talking to be someone. Yes.
Mama, come here. Go down.
Go down.
In school. You think matter in school? Look at this one.
Useless.
Hey, now talk.
Now complain.
Mwalimu andiwaje. Uto school bus mukelo no school anu kwa tigi school bus.
Watch regi.
School bus okwatigo. Nyoro no tingo maiti mar David. David not.
Wane mondo.
Aya, chiemo ba utelo nwa koni. Angalo ka chiemo.
Wechope chiemo. Mwalimu school bus. School bus ni en makanga to e gweng kae to en. Kwani school bus ni nonyewe mar tingo jomotho e gweng kae koso nonyewe ne student.
You are very fluent in mother tongue. I wish you were fluent in biology.
Including physics.
Including physics. I wish you were fluent in biology.
Mwalimu wende muketu nwete gari nwano kaero.
Mwalimu imagine. Nyako ni winjo rumba.
Instead of even going out gospel. Yes, we're not used to rumba. They could put wamlambe. Yes. Kainama. Yes. You're used to gospel. Not rumba for our dads and our grandpas.
Look like that you are mlambesi.
Mwalimu ndio nisani topoki winyo mlambezi. Ndio nisani mlambezi.
So you are complaining about the music that they are playing in the bus.
They are complaining about the wamlambezi.
Mwalimu ngoja
na mnyonyezi.
And two. Driver Maria Mbobastia. Drive out the bus to nyen. Kako tero bus no okmorwa.
You complain the bus man don't use school ni. Jingo mana maiti. Arusi. To uno kube kore tua.
Tua onge.
Very good.
Ario.
Did you not go to watch that books yesterday?
But that was
since the school bus was bought, we just went yesterday alone. We have never gone.
And even we never enjoyed.
And you really misbehaved yesterday. You think nothing of set books no. You think not misbehave seriously? What did you watch? Where will you watch?
Walimu. Yes.
And you? Who said that you stand up?
Who said that you stand up?
I just want to demonstrate. I don't know you so.
Yes.
Stand.
Demonstrate.
Yeah, that part I really enjoyed that part.
You only not watch when people
Part of life.
The best part.
Yes, it's part of life. One bad he complain.
Look at this one.
Mwalimu want to complain na be katapo. Ana sabiro school
What is your name?
What is your name?
Ilonga nini kwa life?
Ndongumai Nicoleta manyuki kubida admitted.
Nicoleta? Where are you old school student?
Are you old school student here or a new student here?
As you can see, it's not very
And which uniform is this one?
Mar school.
School in Ona. Madonga uniform machalo marjo liko liero cha. Madonga liko liero
You came from liko liero or Lecholwa? So you don't even know your school. You are confused.
You are confused.
And you are very school no know mother tongue muacho.
No, as long as
Stand up. You stand up.
Now complain.
Mwalimu. Allotment the school alloti beto. Alloto beto no beti kipawa so.
Tano kanya cha mwalodi na
kaso allot ni kosa bet tichu wako. Kosa chuak ikete mafuta taya.
Tongemote do allot no
Olil.
Ngato dum. Mwalimu.
I wish you were complaining that you've gotten an A+. An A+.
How can you get an A+ and you are eating food that is not?
I wish there was that A+.
Mwalimu chia maberan you the plus na.
Come on.
Now, your complaint is food.
We have not finished.
Inawekwa mafuta.
Bus.
Bus is being hired by villagers. Gari maiti. I wake you mafuta.
Inachua kwa.
Matede be complain only.
Jatedo olel.
Mwalimu ncha yudo you skuma.
Oyuo eskuma. Oyuo is nutrient. Oyuo is nutrient.
In fact, you used to take that one.
Yes, oyuo. Eskuma.
Esikuma.
How sure are we that it is not you who took that oyuo in that skuma? So that you can complain.
Oyuo no chua kuma makuot.
What else are you complaining about?
What else are you complaining
The food is so small.
We monde. Mama no. El mama roma katendo kan litu woknane. To you ni kasto temo konne. Kon mar student. Then chan gioma. Then otimoni. To you ni.
Imagine.
You are just
the way you
Mwalimu ni wacho kamano.
Walincho biro kaka wachwe.
Ne koro an kaka 1GB koro totera kan.
Don't you look at 1 GB.
Do you
expect to be fat in this school for in 1 week?
Mwalimu kikaben match we.
In 1 week?
Yes.
So those are your complaints.
Mwalimu, you put nyama instead of.
Mwalimu, kasto menu
Wanakuwekea
loki.
supu nyingi.
Ukiweka nyama tutapata A+. In fact,
Yes.
Nataka mwekewe supu nyingi
Mwalimu.
na nyama.
kwa nyama?
Yes.
Mwalimu.
You wapate A+.
Yes.
And be advance of avocado enyo monda you A+. Yes.
Mwalimu, then gigomiu week achiel mondo team gi koko team gi will strike kama ni aje.
From those. You cannot organize a strike in this school.
Nothing like from twos. Gimora kako wachi
Do you know that we are near GSU camp here?
School fees guy.
It's okay.
It's okay. Now we can dismiss them.
Now, before you go, these are the complaints.
Yes.
And you want
Very
them
good.
to be handled. We are not just giving you the complaint.
by next week.
Yes.
Very good.
Very good. Very good. Students, as you also complain, can you just also impress us in terms of performance?
Exactly. That's what I wanted to say.
Mwalimu kaka performance.
Look at the performance of Eugene.
In fact, Nicoletta is worse. Nicoletta is worse.
You should go back to your school where you came
In
from.
fact, I even regret admitting her in this school.
Yes.
You are worse.
Mwalimu do school fees amudu waro.
Okuna school fees, no performance.
What other performance?
Yes.
Kwanza
Mwalimu, if you just change that nini of food, we will get A+.
Yes.
Zunguka hivi. Your case is special.
You go.
Mwalimu
No. Let her go.
Mwalimu
Your case is special. Your case is special.
Can you run to class?
Can you run to
You
class?
are giving the teachers here.
So this is
Go.
not fair.
Now,
No.
these problems, tutaambia mwalimu mkuu. If you want to address them, mwalimu mkuu, then we shall see what to do.
Better.
Sawa.
Karango.
We shall inform him today.
Kasto itimo gigo.
No more that I'm speaking in
No
school.
matter that I'm speaking in school. You want to go down again?
You have to go down again.
Mwalimu lakini unakobenume odo kwa.
Another time again.
No.
Aero doa.
In fact,
Dismissed.
Dismissed.
Then you come for
Very fast. Dismissed.
Then you come for your papers.
Sure. Me, I'm not understanding these questions.
I don't teach biology.
You are even confused.
You don't even your teacher.
You are even confused.
You don't know even you're supposed to teach.
You are even confused.
But let us help you. You don't understand the questions. So you left it blank.
You left it blank.
Yeah, we can help you. Which one of the following consists is best for removing food pesticide between the teeth?
Imagine. What is consist?
Which one of the following? This was a typing error. This was a typing error. That one you can understand.
Shan, we expected me to
Wait, young lady, what is your name?
Keep quiet.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Gloria.
You don't even write your name here. You don't even your name.
To be complain.
If you don't complain,
Nyinge mokongo kia.
you want index number?
70.
You need to leave your name and your index number. Now, you want to say that all these questions in this paper, there's nothing you're understanding.
Yes, I did not understand anything.
This question, do this. We also don't understand them.
No, not sure.
You cannot bring questions that has been done
to
to us. Go and copy.
Go and copy. In fact, this paper has been marked.
That's been
So
marked.
tell you-
And the results are already in the report form.
Nyako. You go and revise.
In fact,
You are not there. Why did you not? You want to say that you didn't understand any question in this paper?
Yes, now I did not understand.
Very good. So what you do? You come for remedial. Yes, come for remedial.
in fact,
Remedial.
Remedial.
Come see me in my office in the afternoon when everyone has gone.
So what is remedial?
ibro ng'eyo kisechopo kanyo. Iwinjo? Remedial mupenjo no.
I'm saying just come for tuition in the staff
Yes,
room.
use
Come for the
good terms
tuition
now.
in the.
Yes, not free.
Come for tuition in the staff room when everyone has gone.
Yes.
I will hand you specially from 6 up to around 7. Yes.
Are you
I
sure
will,
it will be tuition
I will teach you all these things together. One by one.
One by one.
You don't understand. You don't understand.
You don't understand biology.
No,
I will
sir,
teach
I'm
you
not
biology.
even, I'm
No,
not also
no,
understanding you.
you-
I'm not understanding you. Do you want to teach me alone?
Remedial.
Remedial.
You understand the meaning of remedial?
No, I'm not understanding.
It's okay. You'll understand when you come.
You'll understand when you come.
Call for me Nicholas Odhiambo. Yes. Call for me Nicholas Odhiambo there.
Mwalimu.
Come here, come here.
Come.
Gloria, come.
Gloria, come.
Come. Mana skat ni mami di pun.
Mano.
Kamu turn around.